In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to edit a project name on Tableau. Whether you're working on a new product or updating an existing one, knowing how to change the project name can help you keep your work organized and easily identifiable. Let's dive right in and get started with the steps to make this change seamlessly. First, you need to head over to tableau.com. This is where you'll be managing your projects, so it's crucial to start by logging into your account. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a section labeled Recents. This is where Tableau keeps track of your most recently accessed projects, making it convenient to jump back into your work without having to search through your entire project list. Now, within the Recents section, you'll see a list of your projects. Look for the project whose name you wish to edit. Once you've found it, you'll notice 3 dots next to the project name. Go ahead and click on these dots. This action will bring up a drop-down menu with various options related to the project. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Edit View. This option allows you to make changes to the project settings, including the name. By clicking on Edit View, you'll be taken to a new page where you can make the necessary adjustments. On this new page, look for the option labeled Parameters. Clicking on Parameters will open up a section where you can input a new name for your project. This is your opportunity to give your project a more descriptive or updated title that better reflects its purpose or content. Once you've decided on a new name, simply type it into the designated field. Be sure to double check the spelling and ensure it accurately represents the project. After entering the new name, it's also a good idea to review the Properties section, which you can access next. Here, you can adjust other settings related to the project, providing an additional level of customization. With all your changes made, the final step is to save them by clicking OK. This action will confirm your edits and update the project name across Tableau. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your projects well organized and easily accessible. And there you have it. You've successfully edited your project name on Tableau. This process is straightforward but can make a big difference in how you manage and navigate through your projects. Keeping your project names up to date ensures that you and your team can quickly find and work with the right data, enhancing your overall productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more resources or reach out for help. See you in the next video.